birds pretty much own the ship nowadays. Well, I'm just off the Capitola, and I found out where all the birds were going. There's just all the waters, seagulls, and there's pelicans right there. And all these birds are all right here. The water is just black with birds in every which direction for as far as you can see. It's just really, really something. The sound of them going through the water, the flapping of wings and things, it's just strange. They're all right here. Millions of birds, literally. Look at them. I've never seen anything like it. Pelicans and seagulls. Seagulls are more off to the left. Pelicans are kind of scattered in, and just millions and millions of these birds. Now I guess it's millions. It's full of pelicans. I'm just kind of surrounded by pelicans. This is just unbelievable. The sky is just full of birds. I guess I got in a little too close here. I'm starting to get into the kelp. I'm going to go out and around the kelp. And all of these birds are just all over. This is the largest number of birds I've ever seen. They're just all over. Unbelievable! This is more impressive than... There are a lot fewer over this direction. Towards Capitola. A huge rafting of pelicans here. I'm just surrounded. And now they're... Oh my gosh! The sky is black and I'm in the middle of it. This is really something. Here's aft of me. Must be a tremendous amount of food here to attract this many birds. I can't even get out of it. Don't want to hurt any of them. I'm just surrounded. There is no getting away from them. This is going to be the bird experience trip of the world. I'm finally getting out of it. I'm going as slow as I can to clear all of them.